Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a beginner's guide on the Debutify theme. I'm going to show you step by step how to dramatically enhance the design and functionality of your Shopify store. In this video, I'm going to cover how you can integrate an incredibly powerful application called Debutify that helps Shopify merchants get an amazing looking free theme for their store, manage and display customer reviews, including photos and videos and more. Let's dive right into the video. So the very first step before getting started is that we want to head over to shopify.com and create an account if you don't have one already. At the moment, if you create a Shopify account, you'll be granted a 3-day free trial, and then after that it will run out and you'll be prompted to get one of these Shopify plans that you see on the screen. However, you can start with one of these plans for $1 a month on your first 3 months. Definitely go ahead and grab the offer in our description box down below. It is a temporary offer by Shopify, so grab it before it's too late. After that, we want to download the Debutify theme for our newly created Shopify store. Now, before actually installing Debutify, it's important to note that unlike most of the themes on Shopify, Debutify cannot be added directly within the platform. Instead, installation requires first creating an account at debutify.com, which grants access for downloading the theme files so that we can then integrate manually within Shopify. This also allows the Debutify team to push updates, add-ons, and new features over time to continually improve capabilities. And while Debutify offers a forever free version, it does limit you to only 3 premium add-ons compared to unlimited extras available on paid tiers. So down the road, you may wish to upgrade for priority support, unlocking additional customization tools and multi-store usage rights. But still, a free Debutify plan provides immense design flexibility, far exceeding default Shopify themes. So let's head over to debutify.com, and here you will see a prompt to try Debutify for free along with creating an account. Enter your email, store URL, email, and password to generate your account. And then double check to see that the store URL matches your actual Shopify address for proper linking. After submitting registration details, you will instantly gain access to the Debutify dashboard, providing options to connect stores and download themes. So let's go ahead and click the download button to initialize grabbing Debutify theme files. The download will begin automatically in seconds as a zip folder that will integrate next with Shopify. With the Debutify zip downloaded, head back to your Shopify admin dashboard and click Online Store on the left sidebar. And then under Themes, click Add Theme, Upload Theme to open file selection. Locate and choose the Debutify zip that we just downloaded to start the upload process. And then you would have to give the upload a few minutes depending on your internet speed to fully complete before Debutify appears in your Shopify themes panel ready for activation. And once finished, hover over Debutify theme and select the Customize button to begin tailoring and tweaking our new foundation. With the Debutify editor open, let's start personalizing visual design elements through the left sidebar, beginning with colors. So click into the color section and we will see some previews for buttons, accents, links, backgrounds, and more. Select each item to pick matching hues for your brand palette. For example, an elegant jewelry company may choose some kind of deep colors, regal golds, and metallic grays. Or if you're running a fun toy shop, then you can have bright rainbow colors with playful fonts. Next up, in typography, establish ideal text formats across paragraphs, headings, and product details. Additionally, the Styles panel lets you configure presentations for titles, prices, and other page elements site-wide. Tweak the sizing, alignment, capitalization, spacing, and other attributes. Take time to thoughtfully craft the aesthetics conveying your brand essence. Subtle touches go far in forming first impressions so that you can encourage the visitors to engage further. After that, you would have to focus on the content structure. Let's explore customizing individual sections comprising pages across our Shopify store, which can be seen on the sections menu. You will notice that Debutify automatically imports existing website content from previous themes at proper placement so that it can retain the continuity. And we can modify sections by adding, removing, or reordering the page building blocks through the section editor. For example, click into the header section to tweak navigation links, logo, icons, and search bar. Rearrange or delete unnecessary collateral like delivery timelines if unapplicable. Or access the footer to change copyright dates, strip unnecessary columns, or enable currency conversion for international customers. You'll notice that Debutify empowers merchants to build entirely custom page layout flows, including holding dedicated real estate for promotion bars, any trust symbols or unique differentiators, and other key brand messaging that you want visitors noticing. And finally, once you've made desired styling adjustments and section modifications in Debutify, don't forget to preview prior to publishing live, especially testing on other devices like mobile or tablet. So onto the top save button, it allows capturing changes without publicly publishing it yet, which enables you to navigate your store testing tweaks across devices beforehand. Pay attention to sections showcasing products, promotions, and value propositions likely receiving the most exposure. And after confirming all looks and functions as intended, go ahead and select the Publish button to officially launch your upgraded Debutify theme. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions on the Debutify theme or Shopify in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.